Available at D&M Tools, the perfect tool for all you timber framers. We've got the Mafell NFU 50 groove machine, and we've got its perfect partners, the S35M dust extractor and S200 drum. So let's have a look at the NFU 50 first. This is your groove machine. So this, as I said, this is perfect for all you timber framers. So whether you're doing your tenon joins, your lap joints and your bird's mouths, this is perfect. In the past, you would probably use something like a circular saw. You'd measure out, you'd cut grooves and then you'd chisel them out. This is so much quicker. We've got a cutter block which contains replaceable TCT knives. As one side becomes blunt, we simply loosen that off, rotate. We've got 4 goes on each blade before they need replacing. We've also got ones on the side here for scribing, so we get a nice clean finish on our timber. So on the rail, we could go a 45mm depth of cut. If we take it off the rail, we can do a 50mm depth of cut. With the machine as standard will come a rip fence if you do use it off the rail. We've got a 58mm diameter port. Obviously with this machine we're going to create a lot of mess, so we need to remove it away from the tool, and that's where its perfect partners, the S35M and the S200 tank, will come into it. We'll talk about these later. So we've got a 2300 watt Cuprex motor in here, perfect for your oak timber frames. We can bevel the blade up to 45 degrees. There's a full range of cuts. And on the back here we've got this LED light. Quite a noisy machine. When you've got your ear defenders on, the blade will obviously be spinning. We don't want to put our hands anywhere near it. The light will flash until the blade has come to a complete stop. And it will come with the Mafell crosscut rail. If you don't want to use the crosscut rail, you can easily take it off. And then once it's off, you can either use one of the F-series rails or even the rip fence. But for the perfect easy cut, use the crosscut rail. If you haven't seen it before, on the bottom, we've got a fixed stop and a movable stop. Simply loosen this knob and we can go down to -60 degrees and all the way up to +50. We set it back here to 0, place the 2 stops up against the timber. We'll now do a straight cut. We want to do a 45. Two stops up against the timber. We're now going to cut a 45-degree cut. So I've shown you all the features of the NFU 50 groove cutter. We're now going to do a cut. I'm going to do a tenon in this 140mm depth of timber. I'm going to do a cut without dust extraction to show you the mess it does make. And then I'm going to do a cut with dust extraction using the S35M dust extractor and the S200 tank, just to show you how clean and effective it is. And if you want to see that, join us on our next video.